Hey guys, this is day 2. I'm back out here. We put up all the trail cams up yesterday. Like I said, it's beautiful up here. It's in the Adirondack Mountains, so it's only 70 degrees. There is no humidity. We had a few doe sighting yesterday. Hopefully the video will capture that. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to repair one of the blinds. This is a blind that some people have gotten very successful out of, so killed some good deer out of it. And you know, the blind is just basically sticks. It's wood, so it rots. If you could see this forest right here, it rots. You know, it's the Adirondacks. It rots. It gets cold. It gets wet. It gets warm. It's just a forest. So the wood that we put up there is only good for a couple of years, and then you have to swap it out. I'm using wire and nails. Other people use joinery or other kinds of stuff, but that's not for me. I'm just going to try to get it done. If I have enough time, maybe I'll build another blind somewhere else down the road. I don't know if I'll have enough time for that. But I'm very hopeful this year. The trails are all clear, 100%. And, you know, some people say don't clear your trails, that kind of thing. I get it. But we have elderly gentlemen, and they can't walk up here anymore. So what we do is we clear a trail for the four-wheeler, and then they go to their spot and they sit and they enjoy their life. They're all retired guys. They enjoy their life. They have a great time up here. We want to keep that going. We want to keep that camaraderie. Even if you drop the four-wheeler off, just drop them off at the other side of the mountain, and then we do our thing. So I always walk up. I never take a four-wheeler unless it's for recovery. So this is day 2. I'm going to do some repairs, and I'm going to try to get some film on it. All right. So as you guys can see, this is the front of the blind. We cut some new timber. The old timber was completely rotted away. This wall also has to be replaced. You can see at the bottom, it's a little messed up, a little rotted. I mean, we got the timber, we got the nails, and we got the time. So this is a good time to replace all this stuff, make it nice and clean and neat. This is a pretty good spot. I shot 2 deer out of this stand already, so obviously it's a good spot, very good open area. A couple trails coming in through here, which makes it very easy. So I got my four-wheeler up there, and we're gonna work on this a little bit. So looks good. Alright guys, so this is it. This is all the repairs, plus this year I decided to put a roof on it. Again, this is just all lumber from the forest, a little bit of 4x4s or 2x6s, some nails, some wire, and we decided that this year I'm going to be nice and dry. Now, just because you build something like this doesn't mean you'll be successful. Like I said, this has always been a nice little dream of mine to enjoy myself when I go hunting. And we put the wooden rafters in, as you can see, probably about four inches apart. We're just going to get some tarp for now, just to clean it up, or I'm sorry, to cover it. Landowner said he might want to do something with the maybe put something a little bit more permanent, but for now at least the structure's up and the animals will get used to it. Now that it's up, it'll be up for at least 2 months before I even get up here to go hunting. Did a lot of clearing, as you can see, a lot of brush piles, and again that'll just all break down, but just kind of wanted to show you guys what I got going on here. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to check the trail cams. I think there was some movement, so that's good. Check the trail cams, replace all the cards, and then disappear for a couple months, and hopefully something good will come out of it. So, alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we'll get to day 3, and it'll be a good day.